But orally, I don't have a elder sister, so which many times, I just have younger sister and elder brother. Many times I thought that if I had a elder sister, it would have been very nice. So that wish fulfilled, Nandaka fulfilled, and of course all of women of Divine Spark also fulfilled that. So I thank you all for that. So without many time I told that Divine Spark Singapore, one of the greatest strength is the ladies behind it. Right? So they are
Divine Spark. Outside also.
that's why.
Okay, every successful man.
So that's why I have changed that sentence into, for every successful organization there is a women group behind it. So you can definitely say that such a coordinated ladies group is not so easy to find out. Guys can become close and it's fine for us actually, but 2-3 girls are so close and they are without any ego, they are interacting is a big thing actually. That is one of the biggest strength of Singapore. That is the biggest strength of Divine Spark Singapore. So now coming to others, from Dwarka, I learned so much about him from him about the organizational skills. So he organizes so well, takes everything into account. So that part was really something which I would say he is a true karma yogi for me. Then coming to PM Manju, we had so much discussion. He is a great listener. He listens so well. It makes you talk in even some things you don't get so easily comes out when he is there. And also Shiva Yogi. So we had such a meaningful discussions many times. So I have to thank these two. And also next comes to Pramod, Katti, Parshuram. So much simplicity they have, they are ready for everything. Any task you give, they are there. So these kind of things I have always wanted to learn. Next comes Srinivas Ji. The information he has, so much information he has, it's amazing actually. He collects, he has literally knows everything on any topic and talk so long. That's a great thing. Yeah, then Viru, like his straightforwardness, Ritu, Viru, that I like very much. And then all others, I can't name each and every one, but Vivek or any other, like everyone, right? So the brotherhood or the friendship they have shown, like Sampath, even though we had a very short stint, but the way the people interact here, the way we hold together is a great thing actually, which will definitely cherish in my mind for a long time. So to this Singapore Balaga, right, whatever we have contributed is much lesser than whatever we got, whatever we received, I would say. So there is a saying, like they say India is a karma bhumi. Outside India, foreign land says bhoga bhumi. Bhoga bhumi is enjoyment. So I would say my spiritual journey started in Singapore only. Before coming to Singapore, God was just like some entity. In some place sometimes I was even atheist. I didn't believe in God. But then later on, slowly I became interested. But it was never like this. So Singapore turned me, and in that Divine Spark has played a big role. So for me, Divine Spark became a karma bhumi first, then bhoga bhumi. So I have to. So because of this, I will be remembering Singapore forever. I had been to US and UK, but Singapore I'll definitely remember, and I will miss all you guys and the Divine Spark for sure. And the bhajans we sang, so simple bhajans that have a lot of meaning in that. So I'll definitely try to be in line with or in touch with Divine Path wherever I go. That will be part of me definitely. There's no doubt in that. And I want to also thank the Vishnu Sahasrama book. Like people used to, like though they were satsangas, they used to come the very next day. Like Nanda, Sujata, Dwarka, Pramod. Like, these were like the regular people who were tolerating whatever copy paste I used to do from Banajay Gandhacharya. So though it was a simple copy paste, there were a lot of errors, but still they tolerated it. So that is one thing I would like to thank. That's what, right? Like I can't name each and every one, but definitely it's an amazing, amazing group. I would be missing. Thank you very much for
You made us feel in the last session.
No, it is not last, you can say.